Hi everyone, welcome back to SAP Tech Combo Weekend Above Tips. In this video, I am going to share the details how to set up SAP WebID Personal Edition. Before showing the WebID setup, brief description about SAP WebID. SAP WebID is an integrated development environment. It will help to create SAP UI5 applications. There are two flavors in SAP WebIDE. One is personal edition, other one is full stack. We will see the difference between them. SAP Web IDE personal edition. This one we can install in our local machines. It is absolutely free and also it supports offline. We don't need internet connection. One limitation for this edition is only single developer can use this IDE. Other one is SAP Web IDE full stack. To use this one we need a license, but we no need to install it in local machine. We can use it as a service like other services, Gmail or Facebook. Here internet is mandatory. This is mainly designed for enterprise use. Using WebIDE full stack we can develop enterprise applications. Yeah, that theory is enough. Now we will see how to set up WebIDE personal edition. Show you here step by step process. To set up SAP WebIDE personal edition, we have some prerequisites. We will see what those are. First one is WinRAR software. The second one is Java. In step 1, we have to install WinRAR software in our system. As a second step, we have to install Java. Most of our systems have Java. If you don't have, we have to install JDK. The main component here is WebIDE. We can download it from a URL. To download WebIDE, you have to use the tools.hana.ondemand.com. After reaching the site, we have two options. One is trial use, other one is productive use. In this scenario, we are using the trial use. We can use 32-bit or 64-bit while downloading WebIDE based on your system configuration. In next step, we have to create a folder in C drive. You should give the proper name like my WebIDE. Then you have to move or copy the downloaded WebIDE file to my WebIDE local folder. Inside the download folder, you can see a file name SAP WebIDE personal edition. Then you have to extract that file using the WinRAR software. We already installed that in a first step. After extracting, you can see a folder Eclipse. Once you open the Eclipse folder, we can see a important application file inside the Eclipse folder. We will see what is that application file. Orion is the application file. It is very important file to work with the SAP WebIDE personal edition. Just select the Orion application file and right click on that, then run as a administrator. Then immediately you will see a pop-up window with OSG path. Don't close this window. You should require to run the SAP Web ID personalization. Just minimize that pop-up window. With this step, we completed the set up the SAP Web ID personalization in your local machine. Now setup is complete. We will see how to work with this IDE in your system. Before testing the tool, we will see all the steps what you did just before in system also. In first step, we have to download the WinRAR software. That one we can do directly by selecting the WinRAR in Google. We can go to winrar.com. From there we can download WinRAR software. In second step, we have to install the JDK if it is not available in your system. That is also same process. Directly from Google we can download and install. Now we are going to download the main component Web IDE Personal Edition. For that we can simply provide the link hanaondemand.com. At this place we can see trial use and productive use. Here I am using the trial use with 64-bit. Directly we can download from here. In next step, we have to create a folder with the name My Web IDE in C drive. I already created in my system. I will show you. In this folder, we have to copy or move the downloaded Web IDE file. As I said before, you can see a file name with SAP Web IDE personalization. Here you have to right click and extract with WinRAR software. Once you extract, you can see a Eclipse folder. Inside that Eclipse folder, you can see the Orion application file. Here we have to run as a administrator. If we select run as a administrator, immediately a pop-up will appear with OSGI option. With this, we completed the setup SAP Web ID Personal Edition. One important thing you should remember here, we should not close this window anytime while using the SAP Web IDE. Always it should be open. Now we will see how that SAP Web ID Personal Edition will work in local machine. That is very simple. We have to provide a link. That link contains localhost, port number, web ID, index.html. Simply enter. Now it's trying to load SAP Web IDE. But it's not able to load. We got an error. There is a reason for this error. I made it intentionally this one. As I said before, when you want to run SAP WebID personalization, always that Orion application should be running in background. But I closed that Orion application, that's why it is giving error. Now I will rerun the Orion application and we'll see what will happen here. Again Orion application started. Now we will see in browser what will happen. Here we can see now Orion page instead of the error. If you are installed first time and using the SAP WebID personalization, you have to create a new account. If you already have an account, directly you can log in using the sign in option here. Creating a new account is very simple. Here just we have to provide a username, password and email. It will be created. But one thing we should remember here, don't forget password. If you forget the password, you can't reset that one. You have to create a new account again. I have already an account, that's why I'm directly signing in. Now SAP WebID personalization is opened. From here you can create your own SAP UI5 applications. That's it guys. This is the whole process to set up SAP WebID personal ID and working here. I hope this video will help you. If you like this video, please subscribe for more videos. I am signing off for today. Thank you.